we welcome you to the aerial walkthrough of Bahari Beautiful Country. The main approach road is 50 feet wide and other connecting roads are 40 feet wide. The township is spread over 120 acres and has various great living options to choose from. It also boasts of many other state-of-the-art facilities and is at a location that makes you feel one with nature. On your left are plots 51 to 62 and on your right are plots 69 to 81. Plots on the left side of the road from plot 39 to 50. Bahari Beautiful Country also offers the first organized foray into creating retirement homes in India. The Anandam Retirement Community offers a 5-star living experience to make the rest of your life the best of your life. And now on the left, we see plots 263 to 270. Footpaths are present all over the township for pedestrians and benches are provided at regular intervals as well. The cafeteria serves fresh food throughout the day and the recreational facilities at the township keep the residents fit and active. Let's now move ahead from the recreational area and explore the rest of the Anandam Retirement Community. And now we are crossing plots 208 to 203. On your left are plots 173 to 189. And on your right are plots 149 to 154. And on the left you see plots 124 to 116. What sets the township apart is that out of the 120 acres, only 27% is the built-up area, leaving the majority of the space for open areas and recreational facilities. This has a proven direct impact on one's health and is instrumental in promoting a healthy lifestyle. As we turn left, you can see the medical center of the township on your right. You are in the safe hands of one of the most trusted names in the healthcare segment, Apollo Telehealth Services. This brings us to the end of the walkthrough of the Bahari Beautiful Country Township.
I was preparing myself for my retirement for a couple of years, and I was looking around for good, peaceful and pleasant retirement homes. Wherever I went, I saw only again a concrete jungle which looks like almost a city. When I entered this place, good amount of greens and lot of open space. So I liked that place and I booked 2 years back.
We decided to come back to India. We were looking for a place where climatically we can be comfortable and also the surroundings suitable for our health and other facilities. So we visited in India a number of old age homes which have been advertised, which have been recommended by our friends and relatives or well-wishers. All of them we found very static, and there the life has been very dull for the elderly people. So all of a sudden we heard about Anandam through our mutual friend. The atmosphere and the sort of surroundings struck us so much that we thought it's very similar to where my son is living in California. So the way of the enclaves and the driveway and the roads and all, garden and all that, we thought, where are we?
Having spent most of my life in the most beautiful cantonments in and around the country, I was looking for a place to settle down peacefully. Anandam Retirement Community offered me all the things which I was looking for. The place is beautifully located, very well laid out, and it offers us all the requirements for a retirement officer.
My children are very well. I don't want to disturb them. I want to be independent in my living. So I've been searching all over the places in India for a suitable retirement senior most citizens community. When I saw the site, I felt very much, and I was very much interested.
Been working with Government of India undertaking for several years, and after retirement I settled down in Chennai. Been in Chennai for last nearly 15 years. During now the time has come for me to search a retirement home. I've been looking around and found Anandam as the best suitable place for our requirement. And we find it a beautiful atmosphere and ideal place to settle down.
So we have 60% of open space. So the same way my son-in-law, the moment he visited, when he visited during daytime, my wife asked him about the choice. His comment was, he has visited almost all the foreign countries. His comment in one sentence was, it is Switzerland without ice.